Hello lovelies, welcome to our channel Air Varieties. This is Charity P, and today I'm going to share with you how to prepare eba, Gari Eba. In our language it's called Gari Eba. So look at how nice it is. So let's go. The ingredients we need for the eba. Here I have sorghum leaves. You know I'm always a game changer, so I'm gonna change this game for the Nigerians. Yeah, so I have my gari here that I prepared myself. So using these two, we're gonna make the Nigeria eba. In my language, you call it Gari Eba. So we are making Gari Eba. And so let's get started. So my water is already on fire. I'm going to add the sea salt, salt to taste, and I'll be adding my sorghum leaves. This is the game changer. Remember, we are making eba, Gari Eba, Gari Eba. So we'll bring it to boil for 5 minutes. So after 10 minutes, this is what we have here. And all we are going to do is, I'm gonna strain it. Then we'll pour everything back again. So this is the water we are using for our eba. Nigerians, come oh! So now we are starting. So when you pour everything, you can get lumps in it, so you do it gradually. Yes. This is eba with a cheese. Healthy eba. Esther Family TV. MTN baby. Come here, oh. Come and eat your eba. So our special Gari Eba is ready. We'll now have to plate it. Lovelies. So this is our eba, Gari Eba, cassava flakes swallow, and in our language, Gari Eba. It's ready. What are we going to eat it with? You can eat it with any stew or soup of your choice. So we'll see you in our next video, but we want to thank all our loyal subscribers, our returning subscribers. We thank you so much and we love you. Stay healthy and we'll see you in another video.